Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about software development lifecycle. Basically, any block of company software or system software can follow step-by-step procedure. Already we know that algorithm is a set of instructions that are placed in step-by-step manner. Here, the process of step-by-step procedure is called as SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle. In this, we have the following important phases, where each phase performs well-defined tasks. Those are requirements and analysis, design, coding or the implementation phase, testing, and then maintenance. We will discuss all these phases by taking an example. Suppose I want to construct a building. For this, first I have to know what are my requirements for the construction. Suppose my requirements are 5 rooms including hall, bedrooms, kitchen, 2 washrooms, 2 parking lots. My total budget is 80 lakhs and the total time period is 6 months. If I give all these requirements to the builder, then basing on these requirements, he will talk to his analysis team. Then the team will study the requirements basing on the time estimation and cost estimation. Then they check the feasibilities also. That means whether this construction is possible or not within the time and cost estimation. So the requirements are analyzed in this phase. Before going to construct a building, we have to make a blueprint of a house. Blueprint means how much length and width of each and every room, including washrooms, hall, kitchen, bedrooms, corridor, balcony. We have to draw all these on a chart. And in which direction hall should be constructed, in which direction the face of house should be placed, where we have to dig the land for boring. All these come under this designing phase. Once the approval of blueprint is done, then the actual house construction will start. So the process of work goes on this coding phase. The testing will be done in such a way that the construction of house is meeting my requirements or not. At last, the house is ready and I will start to live in that house. While living, any faults occur basing on this electricity, water, taps, wires, anything. If any problem occurs during this maintenance period, then it will be solved with the free of cost or with some fare. This is the example which is related to our real life. Generally, SDLC is used to define several processes for creating high quality software. Now, software point of view, we will discuss all these one by one. Requirements and analysis. All the requirements are analyzed in the form of inputs. To develop a software, first of all, we should gather all the information from the user for the particular project or an application. Here we require the inputs like hardware and software to develop the project. Hardware in the sense computers, processing RAM, graphics input, etc. Software in the sense operating system, C, CPP, Java, etc. Finally, the analyzation can be done in such a way to avoid uncertainty or any doubts regarding the functionality of the software. Design. The requirements acts as an input to the design phase. That means we consider overall structure of the project with the hardware and software requirements. The design phase specifies how the solution of the program specified and how the program or software will be developed. That means the programmer has to estimate the economic feasibility based on the time estimation and cost estimation. Coding. The designed algorithms are converted into programming code using any high-level programming language. Here the program or the software is divided into number of modules or submodules. The responsibilities of the programmer is to connect the front end and back end of the software. Front end in the sense HTML, CSS, XML, JavaScript, etc. Back end in the sense coding part. Also, while constructing the code, the development team checks whether the software is compatible with the hardware and software requirements. Testing. In this phase, all modules are tested together to ensure that the overall system works in a perfect way or not. Once the coding has done, then the programmer has to test each and every module. If any errors occur in any module, then they have to be rectified. Maintenance phase. To upgrade the software, the developer has to make some necessary changes that are compatible with the particular device during this maintenance phase. If there are any issues occur which come up in the client environment, to fix those issues, some patches are released. Also, to enhance the product, some better versions are also released. All these changes can be done in the client environment. So, this is about the software development life cycle. In this video, if you understand the concept, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.